What if you could build software just by thinking it? We're diving into how AI is making that happen.
And here's the magic trick, turning a simple brain dump of an idea into a working application. Wow.
So we're going to break this whole thing down into 5 simple parts. First up, what is the AI actually doing here? Let's pull back the curtain. Get this, it took only 3 minutes for the AI to build this entire workflow from just plain text. This is wild. It's like a peek inside the AI's brain. It literally makes its own to-do list and follows it. Okay, so how do you even get this set up? It's way easier than you might think.
You just need 3 things: a code editor, an AI extension, and a folder for your project. That's it.
But the AI isn't just smart out of the box. To be an expert, it needs some serious superpowers. So it gets 2 things: a huge library of parts and the instructions on how to put them all together. All right, setup's done. Let's see how we go from a simple prompt to a finished product. This is a game changer. Plan mode lets you see the AI's battle plan before it does anything. And it's not just you talking, it's a conversation. The AI will actually ask you questions to get it right.
So the key isn't knowing code, it's just being able to clearly explain what you want.
So what did they actually build together? Let's check out the final results. They got this amazing daily automation that researches, writes, and sends a professional HTML newsletter. But as cool as this is, it's not perfect. Like any powerful tool, it has its limits. For example, give it a massive job and it can get overwhelmed and just time out. That's a 522 error. So really the most important skill here isn't coding, it's just communicating your big idea clearly.
When an AI can build your tools for you, the real question is, what are you going to build next?